Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and as we have been uh, traveling mostly, I haven't had a lot of time to make videos, but today it's a little after 7 o'clock in the morning and I had a few extra minutes, so I was going to give you a garden update. We are traveling now from here to Alpena about 3 times a month, and so this is all well, our end goal is that we're going to have Corey in our house at the end of all of this, and he's going to be part of our family. He will be adopted, for those of you who didn't know. Anyway, on with the garden tour. We have some kale here. This is the new part of the garden, or should I say the one that I put mulch in, because back here is all weeds, and that's because we're gone, and when we come back I'm working. So we also have, it looks like a cabbage there, but it hasn't grown very much, so I don't know what's going on. That is a lemon cucumber, I believe. Then we have some flowers that we got, and a regular cucumber, like a dill pickle cucumber. Now, over here, I believe it's a broccoli. This year has been kind of dry and then wet and then whatever. We got carrots. Also, these are black raspberries coming on. A few dandelions here. These are peppers, some kind of sweet pepper. And this is banana pepper along with a tomato plant. I believe that's a Rutgers tomato. This is a purple tomato. And then a little bit more kale. And we have where are they? Right there is I believe it's like a big boy or something. And that is cayenne. Oh, right here. It was underneath my nose. That's a jalapeno. And back here we have 2 yellow watermelons along with some garlic and a calendula. So that's how my little garden is doing on this side. Over here we have 2, one's called the balloon flower, and the other one is some kind of a pop-up or poppy. I don't know. The kids picked them out with Grandma, and so they were for Mommy, but the kids picked them out, and now they claim them instead of Mommy. But that's the way kids are. The peaches look good, which is wonderful. In this other little garden, we have a few more banana peppers.
Next to
Thank you, Abigail.
There's a deer poop.
Can you be quiet for a minute? Thank you. Now, in this other little garden, we have a few tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes. And we have 3 more banana peppers. And over here, I believe it's like a zucchini. And then I got a whole bunch of radishes that are going to seed, and I better get that taken care of. If we get time. The kids want me to go for a walk this evening. They already have my day planned out for me. As soon as I get home.
We're going to eat pizza.
Well, we're not going to eat pizza because we don't have any pizza. And payday isn't for a couple of days. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.